By the time the 190k was credited, I now had 210,000 naira. So within how many minutes I was able to make an extra 210k.
Yes, welcome back. And just like you saw in the video, Mr. Danny was able to make 210,000 naira in 5 minutes with sports betting, and it did this on SportyBet platform. All right, and this particular video, guys, we're going to walk you through. We're going to show you what you need to do to get to the point where you're going to make 210,000 naira in 5 minutes or less, or you can make something equivalent or even more. Right, I'm going to explain what you need to do in this particular video. He did this using a particular strategy, and it's very simple. That is why you can do this in 5 minutes or less. Right, so I'm going to walk you through all of this. I'm going to show you all you need to do, and it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Right, so we're going to invite Mr. Danny to show us what he did and how he did this. Like walk you through, show you what you need to do to get to the point where you make this money. I mean, I've said this over and over again, but the point is, you're going to make money gambling, you're going to make money playing sports bets with SportyBet, with this platform, and the strategy is going to show you. Now, this strategy is entirely free, so all you need to do is grab the strategy and make the most out of the strategy so you get to the point where you make money. Guys, you guys need to maximize this opportunity, right? So without further ado, guys, I'm going to allow Mr. Danny take lead and show you guys all you need to do. But before that, guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link. Yeah, and one thing I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is I create awesome videos. Awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. So what we'll do is we'll get something that works, and we'll work around it, and we'll make sure it works. And then we'll come back on this channel and we'll show you guys what works and what doesn't work. I mean, we don't really show you what doesn't work. We show you what works, so that you do the same thing and avoid our mistake and get a good result or a similar result or even a better one. All right, so you're not subscribed, you just see me for the first time, be sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you've subscribed already, welcome. Drop a comment in the comment section, and yeah, if you have any platform which besides Bet Niger, not Bet Niger, SportyBet and bettor. I've done a video on bettor already. If you have a website, a platform other than this too, be sure to drop that in the comment section, and we'll work our way around it and bring you guys up to speed. Right? So be sure you hit the subscribe button like I said earlier, and turn on the bell notification icon. Now drop your comments in the comment section. See you guys on the inside as Mr. Danny walks you guys through.
Okay, so I was showing you guys this free website that gives prediction on virtual football. I made a very good tutorial here, but I forgot to record it. Like, I forgot to on my microphone. So that is me, Dan, on the webcam, trying to tell you that when you visit this website, serenaapps.com, and click on free trial, when you click on free trial, it will present you like lots of betting platforms, BetKing, SportyBet, bettor. So whichever you want to click on, and whichever you want to bet it. So on this video was for SportyBet, so I clicked on SportyBet. So when I clicked on SportyBet, it opened up the betting platform, which is the SportyBet prediction. So this is practically like predictions for SportyBet on renaapps.com. So the next thing I did was to switch to the next tab, because I often have like two tabs open. One tab is for SportyBet, another tab is for the Renaapps predictions for that SportyBet. So SportyBet has lots of virtual football, but specifically I was making emphasis on this England League. So this means people should click on the England League, and then when they click on the England League, this is what they would see. It looks like this. So the next thing to do is to click on over stroke under 2.5. So this is practically where I was trying to say, okay, if you want to be betting with the predictions, click on over stroke under 2.5, because whenever you get predictions, you either play them over 2.5 or you play them under 2.5. So the next thing I did was to switch to another tab, which is this tab, and said, okay, for you to know what to bet on, whether over 2 or under 2, you should click on previous predictions. So when you click on previous predictions, it will show you like the previous game it has predicted. So select down to the current season. So that's because if you click on the current season, it will show you like what has been predicted for this current season, and if over 2.5 is winning, or if it's just failing and it's just going under 2.5. I also describe how the predictions are actually 3: the first, second and third. So whichever you want to be betting on, just stick to it. So me, for instance, I would often pick either the first one or the second one, and I'll just keep playing any of them till the end of the game. So this was where I was trying to like describe that you should click previous prediction. That place it says all, you should change it from all to current season. That is because when you say all, it will show you all the last 1000 prediction, but when you say current season, it will only show you like all the predictions for this current season that we're in. Then I also changed it to over 2.5. So as you can see right now, it's showing green for over 2.5. So this means that like over 2.5 is winning. And when I choose under 2.5, under 1.5, it was showing red, meaning if anybody is actually trying to play under goals, under 2, under 1 on this particular season, they will likely lose every single thing in their betting account. So basically, I just explained that you should visit the website trainers.com, click on free trial, then click on SportyBet, and anything it shows you, which is any 3 prediction it shows you, pick one and keep playing only that particular line. So now I got a prediction, and I played this prediction in 100,000 naira. You can say I played in 100,000 naira, and then my account used to be 1,120,000. It now dropped to 1,020,000 because I'd already used like 100,000 naira to play the game. So the next thing I did was to click on watch now. When I clicked on watch now, you will now see the game being played. So we basically watched this game till it entered. I wish you had listened to the expression because it was really quite fun. I don't know why I didn't on my microphone when I did the screen recording. When I was done with the screen recording, that's when I now discovered that my microphone was not on, and it was really quite annoying. So this was when the game entered. It was playing 0-1. Then they played, I think was it like 2-1 or thereabouts. Let's just keep watching. 1-1. I think it's played 2-1. So somebody let us score like an extra goal, or is it 3-1? I can't recall. But the game entered over 2.5. So we had played this game in 100,000 naira to win 190,000 naira. So we were practically expecting to make extra 90k profits, and we were lucky enough that the game entered even before the second half. We already had like 2 goals, right? So this was we making winnings. Like the game, I think the game ended at, I think the game ended at 1-2 or thereabouts, but practically we had won the game. So I refreshed the page so the balance can actually just reflect immediately, because when you win a game and you refresh, it's easier for the balance to like reflect immediately. So out of the 100k I played to win 190, by the time the 190k was credited, I now had 210,000 naira. So within how many minutes I was able to make an extra 210k. Initially I started with 1,120,000, but I ended with 1,210,000. So I practically made 90,000 naira in less than 5 minutes of playing. And all I was practically saying from like this point in time was the prediction is free, it's free of charge, you're not paying for anything. Like it's free, as in it's free. Just head over to the website. When you get to the website, click on free trial. When you click on free trial, whether it's Bet King or it's SportyBet or it's Bet Power, whichever, just click on the betting platform and get games to play.